nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
If I lose it all, will you still be here? We die for the money, we cry golden tears. Bloody noses up in Beverly.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know what you're thinking. 2 videos in one day, girl. Like, what do we do to deserve this? But it's because I love y'all. I really do. No, well, I do love you guys. But, also, I got a box. This box is delivered to my job. Because even though it has my home address on it, I was not here when he delivered it. And because I'm the only foreigner in this building, the only foreigner that is a teacher in one of the closer Hagwon, so they know who and which and what building to go to. So he just brought it to my job, and it is something I'm so excited about and have been excited about. All the tissue paper. Do you see that logo? Do you know that logo? If you don't know that logo, you should probably check out that brand, and you can learn the logo. It is, well, it's 3 things. Oh, they wrapped it. So, again, I haven't looked at it yet. They wrapped it so nicely. And I'm excited about it. I'm not going to say what it is until I open it. I'm not going to say what it is until I have it completely open. And I hate packing tape because I always get it stuck on me. But it is from the brand Eddie Funkhouser. He is this really dope makeup artist and makeup brand owner. And just, I found out about him last year. I won a giveaway that my friend Lulu, Truly Lulu on Instagram, was hosting. I won, and it was actually his products, which, if you've been here for a while, then you know the eyeshadow pops I'm talking about. If you've been here recently, if you watched my videos, I talk about his mascara and his glow drops. He came out finally with because he sells single eyeshadows and quads. Now he has this bad boy, which is his ROCKSTAR eyeshadow palette. And even just looking at the packaging, it's, first of all, it's purple. I mean, I should have known it was going to be purple because his hair is purple. I love him. Even the little thick symbol for his logo is purple. It says, live, love, rock. So cute. Oh, wow, this is so cool. And I like it because not only did they put it in that super dope packaging so it won't get broken. Sorry, I'm trying to put this lipstick on this little box that's sitting here, and it won't stay. So, oh, even the lipstick containers are hard. I like it. Let's open this. Again, this is first impressions for real, because I just got it this afternoon, and I haven't touched it yet, haven't looked at it yet, haven't opened it yet. Only problem is I'm a little slow. So me trying to open, oh, did I get it? Me trying to open it right now, on camera. User error. Not everybody, just me. This is the palette. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Look at it. Oh, this smells good. I'm a creep. It smells like grapes. I'm not imagining that. That smells like grapes. That smells like when you open a fresh can of grape soda and, bro, that smells like grapes. Making me miss Chicago because that's all I drank in America was grape soda and Mountain Dew. Grape soda and Mountain Dew, that was all I wanted, and I can't get that here. But this is the palette, and here we have the shade names, so I'm just actually gonna swatch them going that way. First of all, I have to say why I bought this palette, because I've avoided many an eyeshadow palette. I haven't been excited about an eyeshadow palette until I saw him post this on Instagram like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, a while ago. First of all, I love rock music, believe it or not. I know that's weird, right? No, it's not weird at all. There's nothing wrong with that. I adore, this was covering the mirror. I adore rock music. And so, yes, I know people are like, but Kat Von D, I don't like Kat Von D for multiple reasons. So therefore, I wouldn't buy, I mean, I have some lipsticks from her, but recently, nah, homie, I'm cool. Anyway, back to the positives and the good things. I saw this and I was just like, oh, I want it, but I don't need it. But then when I saw him swatch it, I need it. I kind of need it. And I really bought it for this shade, which is called Rock Diva. This shade is called Meadow Mama. This shade, which is Rogue Angel. Oh, Angel, I can't talk. Rogue Angel. And this one, which is Glam Artist. So I'm going to swatch all of them, of course, right now, live. Well, not live because I'm filming this, but this is my first time touching these. And you get one matte, and that's gritty pretty. So I'm going to just go down the row and swatch them all down my arm. So I must say that I like this eyeshadow palette. It's really, I don't know, it feels like most eyeshadow palettes, but it doesn't feel like, you know, some of them feel either too slippery or too rough. Like, if I wanted to hold this in one hand, I could grip it without me worrying about dropping it or it sliding. And I like how it has the little peekaboo window, because some palettes don't have that, especially the ones that are this shape. It's just covered, and then you have to open it and figure it out. But it's a little window. I like it. And I like it has the little ROCKSTAR, so it has the little diamonds, rocks on there. Then it says his name. Net weight is 30.35 ounces. Ingredients, the usual eyeshadow ingredients, if anybody cares, because some people care about that type of thing. So we have like mica, talc, and then all the words that I cannot pronounce because I was not a chemistry or science major at all in the least bit. But anyway, let's get into some swatches, shall we? So I'm going to be using a brush for these swatches just to see how well, you know, it works with a brush, because, you know, sometimes the finger user error and then make a time for that. So I'm going to be true to myself because I put eyeshadow on with a brush, so I'm going to see how it works with the brush. This is just the standard brush that I bought from somewhere. There's no name, no brand, I don't remember. So the first shade is Foxy Roxy, and I'm just gonna go straight down. Okay, and I'm going to do them all at once, and then I'm going to go to Rebel, straight down. That's pretty. And then Rock Diva. Just going, uh-oh. I pushed too hard. Oh, there was no fallout, but then I'm heavy-handed. I broke it. Push it down, push it. Oh, they're so soft. Oh, I could have just used my finger. I'm gonna just use my finger. Freaking A, that's soft. It's so soft. I'm sorry, I know I'm weird. I like soft eyeshadows. Ooh. Oh, yeah, maybe I'll just use my finger because that came off way better than this brush, but this brush is crappy. This brush was cheap. And then I gotta go back into, I can't believe I just broke it, Foxy Roxy. But they're so soft. And I also want to use a brush because my fingers are much wider than the pan, so it's really hard to get an appropriate swatch. So I gotta like go down the middle, then go on the sides of my finger. Oh, those are pretty. Metal Mama is color 4, and that's the silver shade here. I'm not giving you the finger, I swear. These shadows are so friggin' buttery. Oh, wow. Whoa, buddy. Did anybody else see that, or was that just me? Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, they're soft, but it's not like a lot of fallout. Only fallout that's on here now is because I definitely broke Rock Diva. Like, if you look, I definitely broke that. I had to push it back in. Don't tell anybody. It wasn't Eddie Funkhouser's fault. It was my fault. I pushed too hard. I did. I pressed way too hard. Next is, we're going to drop the brush. We're not going to drop the brush. We're going to put it on my bed. New York Doll, which is this one. Swatch. One swipe straight down. And then right there. That's kind of light, but it looks light in the pan. I mean, one more. Let's see if we can get it a little darker. And again, this is my arm. It might look way better, but that's like an iridescent. It's pretty. Like, if I go this way, it looks lavender purple. If I go this way, it looks pink. I like it. I'm excited. So far I've done Foxy Roxy, Rebel, Rock Diva, Metal Mama, New York Doll, and now I gotta like go clean off my hand so I can do these last 5 swatches. Okay, so now we're going to go to Royale. Don't push too hard. Oh, that is really, it looks blue, but then it also looks purple. I love eyeshadows that do that. Like, that's so weird because on the camera it looks purple, but in person it's like a blue purple, like royalty. Oh, that's so pretty. Freaking A. I'm excited. I'm excited. Next is Rogue Angel. It's so, I love metallic eyeshadows and glitter shadows and shimmer shadows that are really, really soft. And these are really, really soft. Oh, that's almost the same color as me, but I like it. I live for a good gold shadow. Next is Glam Artist, which is this like teal shade, shimmer shade, teal. My fingers are so wide. Ooh, ooh, ooh. One more time. One more time. One more time. That's so, I don't have a shade like that at all. I I'm excited. Sorry, I just got real crazy for a second. Next is Legendary, which is like, it's like a deep blue, deep navy shimmer shade. Metallic, actually, these are metallics for the most part. Metallic shade. Yeah, that's definitely a deep navy. Oh, that's so pretty. I just want to see what it looks like built up. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, I'm excited. And then Gritty Pretty, which is, it looks like a matte black. I don't know if the shimmer that I'm seeing on there is because of the other shadows going into it, or if there's a little shimmer to it. Let's find out. Oh no, this is a matte black. It's all matte, okay. Ooh, ooh. So, going down my arm. The first shade is Foxy Roxy. This is like a light pink metallic shade. And then Rebel, which is like it's a purple. Rock Diva, which is like a deep purple, like a deep dark. It's like a black and purple together. Purple. Metal Mama, which is silver. New York Doll, which is like this iridescent purple pink thing we got going on. Rock Royale, which is a purple blue. It's not a blue purple, it's a purple blue, because it's more purple than blue, but you can see there's some blue in there. Then we have Rogue Angel, which is that gold. That's so pretty. Glam Artist, which is the teal shade. Oh, look how they look when they hit the light. I'm so excited about this palette. Legendary, which is the deep navy. And then the one matte shadow, which is Gritty Pretty, which I think this is one of the first times I ever had a 99% metallic palette and the black was matte. You know, you get a metallic palette and then they add glitter. And like there's glitter in it black and you don't want a glitter. I've never heard of anybody that's into makeup say, oh, I want a glittery black, I want a shiny black, I want a metallic. No. First of all, to me, metallic blacks usually just look silver. So that's kind of like wasting. Oh, they're so pretty. I'm so excited. But I think he listens when people that are obsessed with makeup complain about things like eyeshadow palettes that are metallic shadows, but then you get that one random metallic black that you're never going to use because who wants glitter infused black? The only glitter infused black that I own that I like is in the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette, and it's because it's rainbow, like it's like rainbow glitter. It's not just all silver or all blue, or so it actually looks really cool in the light. I used it all last Halloween. Every Halloween look I did that needed black, that was the eyeshadow I used, because when it hit the light, when I went out, everybody go, oh, you put glitter. No, it didn't put glitter. That's the shadow, and it's so pretty. For that reason, I would use that, but I don't want multiple palettes to have a black shimmery glittery shadow. Just no. This was dope, and that means you could do so many metallic smoky eyes. Like I can see me taking this and then this and a little bit of this, or maybe this and this. Oh, I'm so excited. Wow, this is a successful swatch party, because usually I have to go this way or swatch somewhere else or switch arms. I'm so excited about this palette. On to the lipsticks. Arm is cleaned, and I have the two lipsticks that I bought. I'm not going to swatch them on my lips today, but I will be doing looks with them, of course, obviously. I only have Eddie Funkhouser's eyeshadows and his mascara. I have never tried a lip product from him, but I've always wanted to, because when I see other girls, that like even the ones he reposts, when I see them on Instagram, and it just looks so glossy and nice, and I'm just like, I want it. Yes, I make the derp face a lot of the time when I look at makeup, because it's just so pretty. So I got two of the glosses. I'm going to get more, of course, but these are the ones that called my name. Let's see, I have, I love this, Definitely Maybe, and Publicity Stunt. Oh, yes, I almost said something else. I'm so glad I read that correctly. Oh, they're made in, all of his cosmetics are made in Italy. That's why for his mascara, the name is Quattro Variable Lash. That would be how you say 4 in Italian. Why do I know this useless information about speaking Italian? But anyway, I'm gonna do some swatches. Ugh. This kind of looks like what I'm wearing. Kinda. Didn't say all the way. Kinda. A little bit. And these are the glosses. These are not the metallic lips. I definitely grabbed the glosses. Wait, let's check. Yes, I got the Hyperreal Hydrating Lip Gloss. Definitely Maybe, Hyperreal hydrating lip gloss publicity stunt. And apparently the entire Rockstar eyeshadow palette is 3.03 ounces, but each pan is 0.35 ounces. Yeah, and these are 1 ounce each. There's a garbage, I always say this every video, there's a garbage can here. So when I just drop trash down, I'm not being trifling, I'm not being disgusting. So these are glosses. This is definitely maybe. Okay, that swatch sucked. I suck at lip swatches. Definitely maybe. And again, it's just a gloss, but there's color. Ooh, I like that. There's color to that. And then publicity stunt. Nikki, why did you get a purple gloss? Blah, 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 blah. I have lots of purple metallic lips from ColourPop and 2 from Jeffree Star. This would make any of them pop real quick, real fast. Publicity stunt. Oh, I could wear this by itself. I don't need a lipstick under that. And they're just 2 glosses. Oh, they're so... Oh, they smell good. I'm all about smells when it comes to makeup, and if it stinks, I don't want it anymore. They smell delicious, but not like in a I'm gonna eat it kind of way, just in a... If I go like this, I won't be like, ooh, I'm ready to take this off my face. I'm gonna be like, oh, that's cool. That smells good. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm excited. So that is what I got today, and that's what I got from Eddie Funkhouser. I'm going to leave the website in the description box so you can check him out. He has concealers. I think he has powder foundations. He has liquid glow drops, which is, if you watched my rant yesterday and you were like, she looks kind of dewy, I put that on all the time. Even today, I put that on after I do my primer, but before I do my foundation. So if you wonder why my face always looks shiny, I'm not sweaty, I'm not oily, it's the glow drops. It's the glow drops. And if I don't put any highlight on, then my skin just looks really dewy, which is also kind of cool because all of my foundations are matte. So I'm glad I have the glow drops, because then if I don't want to look matte but I don't want to put on highlight, you know. But, and he has lipsticks, he has lip glosses, he has lip topper, like he has 2 lip toppers, which one is clear and one is like shimmery, but not like too shimmery. It's similar to the Fenty Gloss Bomb, where it's like you can see the shimmer there, but I'm wearing the Gloss Bomb now, but you can't tell there's flecks of glitter or shimmer in. It doesn't look like I just stuck my lips in a bowl of glitter, because there are some glosses that make it look like you just stuck your lips in a bunch of glitter, and don't nobody want that. Nobody's about that life. I'm not about that life. Anyway, he has lots of products that you can use. They're affordable. He got brushes. I have 2 of his brushes and I love them. If you watched my face chart, oh, that hair flip, ew, that was disgusting. If you watched my face chart from earlier, because I'm going to upload these, I'm going to upload this and the face chart at the same time. If you watch the face chart video, when I highlight my nose, that is one of his brushes. And then in another scene or section, scene, it's not a movie, another section when I do my eyeshadow, that's one of his brushes. Or did I film that? I don't think I did. It was an eyeshadow brush too. So yeah, you should definitely check out that website. The makeup is affordable. The makeup is good quality. I have 4 quads, 2 single shadows, and mascara that I use. I use the mascara every day. I love that mascara. Why am I saying mascara like this? I've been in Korea too long. Because that's how they pronounce it here. They say mascara. And I find myself saying mascara. Whatever. Anyway, that is it for this video. If you want to see me use any specific lip gloss, any specific eyeshadow shade, any combination of shades, please let me know. I'm going to leave all the eyeshadow names and their descriptions in the description box, so please make sure to read that. You can also go there to check out his website. Follow me on all my social media platforms that are down in the description box. Any questions, comments, concerns, you know what to do. And that's it. That's all. I'll see you next time. Bye.